Hi, pretty. Good morning. Hi, face. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day, and as I pick up the camera, my battery's gonna die. So let me go change it, girl. And we're back. Who is this pretty girl? Hi, I like your bow in your hair. You're so beautiful. Hi. Say, Mama, get out of my face. I'm watching TV. It's nap time. It's nap time. It's nap time. Say hello to the fave. Say hi. Say cuckoo. She's watching TV. Say cuckoo. Hi. 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 Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Say cuckoo. Say hello. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Poop. Mama is troubling you. Mama's gonna take it out again. Poop. She loves it. Poop. You're so pretty. All right, come. I'm not troubling you. Come. All right. You guys, how are you guys doing? It's a brand new cloudy day here. It's so cloudy here in France. It's supposed to be raining all week, but let's see what it's gonna turn out to be. But today is cruise control. Today is cruise control. My mind is here, but my mind is busy. Today is packing day for Babe. I'll be packing Babe's suitcase to head off to the hospital tomorrow. So today we're just staying in, cruising, making sure I have all the papers, making sure I have everything in his suitcase, because he'll be a little way from us and I won't be able to bring him anything because I can't visit or nothing. So it's just one shot we have at this to make sure that he have everything with him. So that's what we are focusing on today. Everybody's up and he's actually on the phone right now talking to someone. Tyler is in his room playing and Sarah is here being our pretty self. Say ABC for faves.
A, B, C, D, E, G, H, I, C, J, M, B, U, S, T, U, V, W, S, Y, Z, M, A, B, C, Miss.
Yeah. That's my girl. Mwah. Good job. You guys, Sarah's vocabulary is just unbelievable right now. She's talking. She has so many words. She's just skyrocketing. She's following right behind her brother footstep with this smart. She loves books. I'm so mad though that her tablet is broken. We are gonna have to buy her a new tablet because it doesn't make sense to get it fixed. Something similar happened to Tyler own when Tyler was her age too. Funny enough, Tyler broke his first tablet and we had to get him a second one. So the new one that he have right now is actually his third tablet, because he broke the second one a few years later. Was it? No, it had just stopped working, but the first one was broken. Sarah, no. So yeah, we're definitely gonna have to get Sarah a new tablet because oops. Anyway, you guys, I'm just all over the place. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. I am going to put Sarah down for a nap, put some laundry out on the line, and get on with my day. Say, I love you. I love you. Good girl, I love you. I love you. Say, I love you. Say, I love you. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Sarah? Sarah? Where is Sarah? Where is Mama? Who is this? Who is this?
Oops.
Oops. Look at Miss Little Busy. Look at Miss Little Busy. You guys, I don't know if you guys noticed that we got a new TV. We got a new TV a few weeks ago. And we are going to get it go on the wall. But we have to wait until Babe come back because one of his colleagues is gonna come and get it because it's much bigger than the first one that we have, and the kids, especially Sarah, love to go and bang. So we're definitely gonna have to get this one on the wall. Look at her. Book. She love book. Look at her.
Book.
What's this?
Chapeau.
Chapeau. You see, this book that she have in front of her is in French, but I don't like to teach her French because I don't want her to have my terrible French accent. It's the same thing that we did with Tyler. I never teach Tyler French unless it's his numbers. I taught Tyler his numbers and alphabet in French, but everything else that Tyler know in French is Babe and the TV teach him before he started school. So we want to do the same with Sarah, me not teaching her French, but the fact that she have the French book in her hand, then I have to tell her what it is. What is this?
Shirt.
Yeah, shirt. It's shirt in English, but in French it's pull. What's this? Hat. Bonnet. Can you say bonnet? Bonnet. What's this? Hat. Say hat. What's this?
Sock.
Glasses. Lunette. And I say lunette. Yes, it's nap time.
Sock.
Bear. He's a bear. Alright, tell Fibs bye-bye. You're going to nap. Say bye-bye. Tell Fibs, give Fibs kiss. Give them kiss. Mwah! Book. She only care about her book right now. With her cute self. Book. She love book. The minute Sarah step in her room and you put her on her change table, she start telling you book. Or she just point up to the basket where there's all her books and say book. And she wanted to sit and read to her all day, all night. If that's the only thing you do for Sarah, she'll be happy. Anyway, you guys will see the rest of the family. I'm going to go ahead and get a few things done around here. You're going to say ABC, wait. Come. Wait. Yeah.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she smart? She can't even speak, but she knows ABC. That's crazy.
I see somebody head peeking up.
Sarah?
I see somebody head peeking up.
Please. 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 No, please. Bien. Please.
Please. Please. Go say please. Please.
Please. Voilà.
Good girl.
Quand tu dis please, you get what you want.
Swear thing she body say. She know what to say. Say thank you. Thank you, Papa. Thank you. Thank you. Say thank you.
A B C D E F A O H I D O P that O S one was my way A B C Mr. was
Yes. Tell her come say hello. We see you a long time.
Hello, Mama.
Let me see your face. Come let me see your face. You guys didn't see his face yesterday. So this is how it is now. And he's getting better with each day, right? Yes.
You know why I was coming every time?
Why?
Because I was doing something and I was taking a paper
Uh-huh.
to write the gift for Sarah.
What gift?
The gift for our birthday.
Oh, you're making your birthday list already?
Yes, and Sarah's one too.
Okay, make sure a lot of book is on it.
I didn't put a lot of book, but I put only one book.
Okay.
One book is enough.
No, put more book, a lot of book. That's the only way you're gonna stay smart and learn. Not buy too much games.
I thought you was talking about Sarah.
Oh, for both of you. Lots of books. Games too, but lots of books. Lots of learning books. Look at him. You guys, I'm in the kitchen making dinner for the fam. And it's Saturday and I realized that I don't have no pumpkin. She want water. I realized that I forgot to buy pumpkin yesterday, but I still insist on making soup today. So my soup won't have any pumpkin taste. Tyler, take your water from your sister. She want water. Give her some to drink. Alright guys, though I don't have any pumpkin, but I make it work. You couldn't look in my soup and tell that there's no pumpkin, right? Because I use the sweet potato and I use the pumpkin cock soup. So to get my chicken soup color pretty. So in here I have my usual chicken, sweet potato, carrot not in there as yet, and all the seasonings in. All the flavor is building right now, and then to that I am going to add my spinners, a little Irish, and a bit more sweet potato with carrot. And yeah, I'll show you guys when dinner is ready. Alright you guys, giving you a look into dinner. This looks so good. Chicken soup ready to go.
J'ai que une tête.
You look like you're down in a hole.
Yeah, j'ai que la tête, j'ai plus les pieds. J'ai plus... Non, j'ai plus, j'ai que la tête. What a fiesty girl, what a girl, dirty. No, not dirty, what's the word I wanted? What a girl.
Nasty.
Nasty. What a nasty girl.
You guys, I'll cut out what I just did, but I'll let you hear his reaction.
Well, you have how many hall? Well, is that coming from one of the two hall?
What? Wait. End the vlog, please.
Hi guys, this is the end of the day. This is me ending today's vlog.
Because you guys won't be seeing him ending any vlog for the next few days.
Yeah. I send you guys love.
Yes. We finished packing babe's suitcase for tomorrow. It's all set and ready to go.
Yeah.
You ready?
I'm ready. You can never be ready, but I'm ready. I have choice. So yeah, let's go. Gotta go. Gotta do what we gotta
I
do.
forget to ask you, but I don't think he'll bring you a shave.
No, I'm gonna shave
think-
tomorrow morning.
figure
I
you
was
won't bring
thinking,
it.
but it
Nah.
doesn't make no sense. The less I carry, the
You won't
best
be
I
seeing
am.
any girls unless the doctor's coming to check on you. So you have to shave while you're there.
Yeah, I can shave for the doctor or the nurse, probably nurse. The last time I was there was, well, it was boys and girls. Nurse was not a person.
I can shave for the boys too. Well, come, tell us bye.
No,
Anyway, you
you
guys.
vex
Why
me.
you vexed, man?
You vex me. You fiesty. You nasty. You vex me.
He's a fool. Anyway, how are you feeling today?
Bad.
Why?
Because of you.
That's not true. He told me he's feeling
I'm
good
okay.
today.
I'm okay. The actually is the one I'm feeling the more, but I'm okay.
The
I'm
one
okay.
you're feeling the one?
Most of the days now, but I'm okay.
I don't understand what you just
It's
said.
now that I feel it the most.
Oh, at this time of the day.
At this time of the day.
Okay.
But otherwise, I'm okay. I'm not.
Okay.
I should say I learned to live with it.
Okay, but I don't want you to learn to do with it.
No. I want to do excited. I want to do everything. I want to jump. I want to run. I want to go to the top of Blue Mountain.
Anyway, you guys, say goodbye to this excited man. He's a little bit too excited right now, like he was drinking a glass of wine, which he haven't had in months.
Yeah, no wine.
Anyway, y'all.
You had a good day?
Yes.
Cool. She take care of me as always.
No, that's my job to take care of you. Anyway, you guys, we'll see you guys tomorrow while we send the babe off
To the
leave us
hospital.
to the hospital. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and definitely come back to see babe tomorrow one last time before he head off to the hospital. So we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.